Hello guys, today I will show you how I earned my first money with affiliate marketing and how I earned my first money online. And I will show you exactly how I did it and every website I used. So first guys, I want you to go into Digistore and register account or log in. I think you know how to do that alone. And after you get into here, you click on marketplace, all offers on the affiliate, not my offers on the affiliate. And here you can choose a different like email marketing and things like that. But what I will choose, guys, is fitness health, and this the ultimate keto meal plan. So what I will do next, guys, is to go into System.io actually and create an account or log in, doesn't matter. And after you've done that, guys, you will actually create a step. So you will make your own website, kind of like that. And how to create that is just to add step one, and then you're done. And when you're done that, guys, you will do this. You will go into edit page, and you will take a text like this. Uh, Slide the text to here, not harder than that. And what I want you to do, guys, now is to go back to here, the ultimate keto plan, copy it back here, then this. And what I want me to do now, guys, is when people go into your website, you want people to see this thing first. What we will do now is to copy this, go to font size, and take it up something like this so people will see it when they come to here. And now, guys, you will write some easy and kind of short facts about the product. So something like this. You want to lose weight for the summer, but don't know how. Then I got a solution. Solution, maybe not a solution. Hmm. Solution, something like that. Solution for you. The ultimate keto meal plan. It has a whole book of tasty, healthy recipes that will help you to lose weight. Now, guys, I want you to do now actually to add a image right here. Add the image right here, and then you search here on Google on the ultimate keto meal plan. What's its name? The product. Find the picture on it. I've already found the picture. Then you just take it and go back to here. Click here, image file. Click here, select a file, and choose it. Insert. Then the picture will come exactly to here. And now after this, I will actually do text and write something like this. Sounds good. Then get the offer. Now, guys, is the most important thing of the whole thing, and is to go down to here, bottom, take it right here, and this, guys, is where you get the money. You click here, send, and you will change right here from click here to get offer. Instead of subtext here, click here. People will understand. And now of the most important stuff. You go back to Digistore, copy this link, just click there. Go here to where it's then sent from. Open URL instead. Type in your URL, the link you got from Digistore. Then save changes, guys. Because what this link does, when you send this on to a guy on Facebook or Twitter or something like that, and people want to buy to there, is when they click here, they get to the website where they buy, where they're buying the product that you market for, and where you get the commission, the money. So this is the most important part. And where you market this, guys, you can see from 2 or 3 videos before this I did, and you can see the whole thing where I market all these things to get my first money online. So now, guys, you just click here, save changes, and then just do this, and then you send it to people on Facebook or something. You can watch the videos how you do it, then you can test to type it in, you will find it here. And an extra advice for you guys how to get more customers is to actually invest $2 or $3 to buy a domain, because if you do a domain, it looks so much better than your system.io, and people will buy pretty much percent more from you. Trust me, guys. And how to create the domain, guys, you just comment down below this video, and if you want a video how to create a domain, I can do it for you guys. So thank you for this video, guys, and I will see you in the next.